been spontaneous. Got my umbrella cause it's starting to rain. Is it cloudy blue where you are too? Cause the boy you love doesn't love you. Well, here's one for the lonely from your one and only Teen Talent Contest winner, Miss Tabitha Carter. Yup, it's raining on prom night. Woo!